To enable and use glide typing in Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and then we can enter additional settings. Look for languages and input, click on manage keyboards and select the Gboard. Now you'll be able to find glide typing. You can activate it right here. Just make sure that this option, first one on the list, is enabled. Then you can also adjust the settings below. When your glide typing is active, let me show you how to use it. So we're gonna pop open our keyboard and then what you want to do is get the word that you want to write. For example, dog, which is quick and easy. So now we want to click and hold on the starting letter and instantly start moving to other letters in that word until we finish it. You need to do it kind of quickly, otherwise you will just pop up the different letter symbol. So in this case, as I said, we're gonna go for dog. That looks like this. And here we have the word. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.